Can you hear me? My people told me. What did you say? We're there.
We're almost there, yeah.
I'm ready. Can I go home?
In about an hour.
No, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Cut it down. Can you hear me?
Can I hear you? Yeah.
I'm not talking to you.
You're not talking to me?
No. But don't you have your own private security? My husband, they call him Black Bill Gates. He's mine. Get me out of this car. It's mine. It's mine. See, when you love your wife, it's called loving. It's not love you. Can I get out?
Here in a minute.
Can you let me out very quickly? I don't want. Where the fuck are we?
In Bethesda.
Okay, where?
Downtown Bethesda.
Okay. I'm done. I have to get out.
Okay, we'll be out in a second.
How long is the process? No one's gonna stop me.
I told you, probably about an hour.
Not at all.
Okay.
You really like me, don't you?
I don't know you.
I know.
I don't have a problem with you. I just don't know you.
No, most people love me. Can I get out?
In a few seconds.
I hate this. My husband is 77. Can we just get out?
What's that? Your husband's 77 and you said 60 something?
I just turned 60. I've been married 30 years. Can we get out?
We're getting ready to park here in a second.
I love him very much.
Good.
He's too old for this.
240-008.
Do you have my phone?
No, I think your husband has it.
Oh, fuck. Your wife is your age?
What?
Your wife is your age?
Yeah, we're a year difference.
Alright, can you unlock me now?
In a second.
Thank you. This is bullshit. This is very criminal.
804. I'm at 2D anyway, which is 602.
I'm good. Give me a moment. Get it out.
In a second, ma'am.
No. Please. Could I? Can you move me? Yeah. I love you too. I love you very much. He didn't mean any harm. Okay. God bless you. Can you just get me out?
In a few seconds, ma'am.
I am irritated.
Okay.
Are they gonna lock me in a cell? This
No.
gonna freak my head
Yeah,
out.
you'll be alright.
Oh, I hope not. It's quiet. Alright. It's quiet. You know I hate you, right?
That's okay.
Can I get... Oh, wait.